Miss Michelle here, and I'm going to show you guys an activity you can do with your little ones at home to promote writing, so those fine motor skills. They're going to practice doing shapes and letters, all that fun stuff. So what you'll need is a pan, and I'm using shaving cream, but if you have a little one who might put their fingers in their mouths, you can use flour, you can use salt, and you can use baking soda. But you'd put that in a pan just a little bit. You don't need too much because you don't want to have it everywhere. But you put some of that in the pan, and I'm going to use shaving cream, so I'm going to smear it around the pan. And then, messy, you can practice writing letters or shapes. I'm going to make the letter A. See? They wouldn't be able to pick it up if you put a powder in here, but since I have the shaving cream, I could pick it up. Since I have shaving cream, I could pick it up. And then you just erase, and you can practice shapes. Or you can even have them write their name. So this is just a fun activity, something fun to do. They get messy, that tactile feeling, and they get to play and they get to practice. So y'all have fun, and thank you for joining me. Bye!